In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block the Copilot feature in Microsoft 365 Office applications using Intune MDM. We'll walk through the full process inside the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center so you can create and deploy a policy that disables Copilot for the users or devices you choose. This is a useful approach if your organization wants tighter control over AI features in Office apps or needs to limit access while policies and approvals are still being finalized. To get started, sign in to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center using an administrator account with permission to manage device configuration policies. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation menu, go to Devices, and then select Configuration Profiles. This is where you create and manage policies for enrolled endpoints. Next, click Create Profile. For the platform, choose Windows 10 and later. After that, when prompted for the profile type, select Templates, then choose Settings Catalog and click Create. The settings catalog is helpful because it gives you a searchable list of policy settings, making it easier to find Office-related controls. Now give the profile a clear and descriptive name, such as Block Microsoft Copilot. Using a name that clearly explains the purpose of the policy makes future administration much easier, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Once the name is added, click Next. In the settings picker, use the search bar to look for Copilot. From the available categories, select Office. You'll want to locate the setting that controls the use of Copilot in Office applications. When you find it, set that policy to Enabled. In this case, enabling the policy means you are enforcing the configuration. Then update the specific options so that Copilot is turned off or blocked depending on the wording shown in your tenant and version. After that, click Next to move to Scope Tags. If your organization uses scope tags for administrative separation or delegated management, add the appropriate ones here. If not, you can simply continue. From there, go to Assignments and choose the user groups or device groups where you want this Copilot restriction to apply. Take a moment to confirm you're targeting the correct audience, since this determines who will receive the policy. Finally, review all of your selections on the summary page. Make sure the platform settings and assignments all look correct, then click Create to save and deploy the policy. That's it. Your Intune configuration profile will now be available for deployment and enforcement. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful IT tutorials.